Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: account access, the site added, and permission to edit. Once logged into Hostinger's hPanel, click File Manager and Hosting. This opens your file tree. Make sure you're in the correct root folder, public HTML or htdocs, because editing elsewhere won't affect your live site. Now locate the file or folder you need. Use the search or expand folders. With that in place, you're ready to create, upload, or edit files directly in the manager. Next, handle the middle steps, uploading and editing. Drag and drop files or click Upload, watch the progress and confirm overwrites. Right-click any item to rename, move, copy, compress, or change permissions. Use Move to place files in public HTML. For code changes, open the built-in code editor so you get syntax highlighting and immediate save. Once done, preview your site or specific file to confirm behavior. If you need bulk actions, select multiple items and choose Compress or Delete carefully to avoid data loss. To finish, verify changes by clearing any site or caching plugin cache and refreshing the browser. Make sure file timestamps updated. If you see errors, restore the latest Hostinger backup or the compressed copy you created before edits. Also confirm file permissions, folders typically 755 and files 644, and fix ownership via hosting support if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: if a change breaks the site, immediately revert to the backup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.